Python is a high-level, versatile, and interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is widely used for various purposes such as machine learning, data analysis, web development, and more. Here are some key characteristics and features of Python. Readability. Python emphasizes clean and readable code, making it easy to understand and maintain. Simplicity. Python's simple and straightforward syntax reduces the learning curve for beginners. Interpreted. Python code is executed directly without the need for compilation, allowing for rapid development and testing. Cross-platform. Python is available on multiple operating systems, ensuring code portability. Standard library. Python includes a rich standard library with pre-built modules for common tasks. Dynamic typing. Python allows variable types to change dynamically during runtime, increasing flexibility. Object-oriented. Python supports object-oriented programming, promoting code organization and reuse. Community. Python has a large and active developer community, providing extensive support and resources. Open source. Python is open source, free to use, and encourages collaborative development. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.